In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a GitHub account step by step. By the end, you'll have a brand new GitHub account and be ready to collaborate on code, manage repositories, and contribute to open source projects. First, open your web browser and go to github.com. On the home page, look for the Sign Up for GitHub button and click it. You may see the sign up call to action more than once on this page. Go ahead and click. Sign up again to move into the account creation flow. On the sign up screen, you might see a field highlighted to start typing. That's where GitHub may ask for information to get you started. Don't worry if your page looks a bit different. GitHub occasionally updates the layout. On this screen, you'll also notice convenient options to continue with Google or continue with Apple. Either one works well and helps you create an account quickly using an existing login. In this walkthrough, I'll choose Apple. Click Continue with Apple. On the next prompt, click Continue with Apple again to confirm. You'll be redirected to Apple's sign-in page. Follow the highlighted prompts there. If you see the option to sign in with iPhone, click it. Approve the sign-in on your device, then come back to the browser and click Continue to finish authorizing with Apple. If you prefer Google, the flow is similar. Just follow the on-screen prompts and confirm your account. After you're redirected back to GitHub, you'll see a few fields and confirmations. Click into the highlighted fields and type the details GitHub requests, such as the information associated with your sign-in method. Keep an eye on any small checkboxes or prompts. They help GitHub tailor your experience. If a username field appears, choose something memorable and professional, and avoid using personal details. If a password field appears for any reason, create a strong, unique password and store it securely. Next, you'll be asked to set your country or region. Click the Select Country Region drop-down and choose your location. In our example flow, we'll pick Philippines from the list. If you're in a different place, simply select your own country. Once everything looks correct, locate the Create Account button and click it. Give the page a moment to process your details. If GitHub needs anything else, it will guide you right on the screen. Otherwise, you'll land on your new account's welcome experience. That's it. You've created your GitHub account. From here, you can explore repositories, start projects you like, and start your own. In future videos, we'll cover setting up your profile,